The incredible abilities of plants, 8 astonishing facts. Although plants are frequently disregarded as merely passive creatures, plants actually possess a wide range of extraordinary skills that are frequently ignored. Did you know, for instance, that plants can interact with one another through chemical signals and even issue one another warnings when danger is imminent? In order to survive and grow, plants can also adapt to their environment, and some species are even capable of astonishing rapid movement given their habitual immobility. Plants are also incredibly potent healers, with certain species having components that are valuable for creating contemporary medications. Welcome to the Know It All YouTube channel. To know about all the interesting facts from around the world, click the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss out on our new videos. Here are just 8 surprising facts regarding plants' extraordinary abilities. They can see, hear, smell, detect the presence of water, defend themselves from predators, communicate with other plants, defend one another, heal themselves, and even function as a natural air filter. These skills are evidence of the astounding complexity and intelligence found in the plant kingdom. The astounding variety of inventions seen in the plant kingdom has enabled our photosynthesizing companions to flourish all over the world. Here is a brief overview of some amazing things that plants are capable of. Plants have a voice. In recent years, scientists have learned that plants are capable of exchanging signals with one another. Many people may be surprised by this, but it opens up a world of opportunities for research on plant behavior and ecology. Plants have a sophisticated communication system that is just now being fully comprehended. This system includes warnings about herbivores and resource sharing. As a result, research into plant communication has grown in significance within biology. Many plants will build a defense when their leaves are being nibbled on by caterpillars as well as other insects, such as generating poisonous compounds that repel their assailants. However, even if they aren't actively being eaten, adjacent plants will also set off their defenses. According to studies, plants emit chemicals that alert other organisms when insects are approaching. This system includes exchanging resources and warnings about herbivores. As a result, the study of plant communication has grown in significance as a branch of biology. Plants are capable of hunting. Some plants that consume meat go in quest of their prey, but Venus flytraps gather insects by waiting around. Recent studies have nevertheless revealed that some plants are actually highly active in their search for nutrition. In fact, some plant species are capable of hunting for their prey, employing a variety of strategies to catch and consume insects. This unexpected characteristic challenges our preconceived notions about plants and creates fresh opportunities for an investigation into their intricate behaviors and capacities. A plant called the Venus flytrap, for instance, attracts insects with its sweet nectar before trapping them between 2 altered leaves. To break down tough materials, other plants, like the pitcher plant, have evolved deep, slippery tubes packed with enzymes that break down food. These pools are inhabited by tiny aquatic organisms, and as soon as the bladderwort locates a pool, it begins to produce traps. An animal that bumps into the bladder trap is drawn in and eaten. Production of oxygen and food. These eco-friendly devices absorb light, carbon dioxide, and water before producing some sugars through photosynthesis. This procedure conveniently produces oxygen, which is very necessary to us. Additionally, plants serve as the basis of the food chains on Earth by converting solar energy into calories. Our ecosystem depends on plants because they give us both food and oxygen. Humans gain from this natural process, which also contributes to keeping the atmosphere of our planet in balance. Life, as we know it on Earth, wouldn't be possible without plants. This chemical process that takes place in plants is photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, which is found in plant cells and absorbs solar energy and transforms it into chemical energy in the form of glucose, is essential for photosynthesis. Life, as we know it now on Earth, would not exist without photosynthesis. Spreading of unbearable smells. Plants are recognized for a variety of human advantages in addition to their aesthetic appeal. Some plants have a potent odor, which is one of their intriguing traits. Researchers who are interested in learning more about the function of these smells in the world of plants have taken notice of this distinctive characteristic. An increasing body of scientific evidence suggests that the production of potent plant odors may help to protect plants from illness, attract pollinators, and deter pests. Not only plants, but also flowers are able to produce very strong smells. Rafflesia arnoldii and Titanarum are some of them. One of the most annoying and unpleasant things to encounter might be strong scents. It might be challenging to concentrate when the air is full of unpleasant aromas. Plants are able to survive for a very long time. Among plants, such as the bristlecone pine, have a lifespan of thousands of years, making them among the planet's oldest living things. Amazing organisms, plants can endure a wide range of environments for a very long time. They have developed a variety of defense systems that allow them to survive in severe environments like drought, freezing temperatures, and toxic soils. Some plants can even persist for long periods of time without sunlight or water. They also contribute significantly to ecology by creating oxygen and serving as a home for a variety of organisms. Plants have evolved a wide variety of survival strategies, from the tough cactus of the desert to the majestic redwoods of the Pacific Northwest. Reacts for actions. A spooky plant originally from South America, Mimosa pudica, is currently widespread throughout the globe. It goes by the moniker sensitive plant as well as a number of other titles, including touch me not or shame plant. As you might have imagined, this bashful plant's reaction to contact is its most intriguing characteristic. When touched or shaken, the plant's leaves fold up and fall due to its primitive neural system. According to studies, when exposed to stimuli like heat and wind, leaves actually do close, and they may communicate this information to other leaves. Surely one of us has come upon this little tree of shame before. This plant, known as Mimosa pudica, has the power to shrink individuals when it is exposed to external factors. A leafy puff of water is seen at the base of the shame leaf stalk. The lower section collapses like a balloon that has been deflated when an impact occurs, such as a hard rain or being touched. The petiole closes and collapses as a result. The result is similar to a shy tree that bunches up after a leaf closes, sending messages to the other leaves in succession. The leaf blossoms quickly expanded with water, and the plants quickly took on their former shape. Plants adapt to adversity well. One drawback of being a plant is that it can be difficult to run away when things get bad, such as when you and all of your plant neighbors are burned down in a wildfire. Plants have adapted, though, as with many other similarly harsh circumstances. Some tough plants have even learned to benefit from fire in areas where wildfire is a typical occurrence. For instance, the short-lived grass stage of the longleaf pine, which is called Pinus palustrin in the southeast United States, is particularly fire-tolerant. The apical bud is protected by the closely spaced needles, and when the moment is right, it experiences a growth spurt. Large open savannas are often formed by longleaf pines, which can withstand surface fires when other species cannot. Other pine species, such as the Mediterranean Aleppo pine, require a good roasting to start underway since hot fires encourage the germination of the seed. Production of dangerous fruits that explode. The sandbox tree, or Hera crepitans, is an intriguing plant species that grows in the tropics of the Americas. The Hera crepitans tree is among the most hazardous in the world despite its beauty and seductive name. When its fruit reaches maturity, which resembles little pumpkins, it explodes with a tremendous noise, sending seeds flying up to 60 miles per hour. Over 100 feet away, one can hear the explosion's loudness. It's not just capable of harming you with its pointed spikes. Its deadly fruits explode with a loud boom, hurling large, hard-seed shrapnel that can travel up to 240 kilometers per hour and inflict catastrophic injuries. Are you amazed by the incredible characteristics that plants have adapted to their lives in order to become more safer and powerful? We hope you learned a lot about the incredible abilities of plants. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Don't be a know-it-all, instead be a learn-it-all.